This tiny piece of foam might be one of the most controversial fitness accessories in the gym. Seriously. The Rogue AbMat claims it can completely change how you train your abs. Better range of motion, stronger core activation, fewer hip flexor issues. But after using it consistently for a week, I realized something most people don't talk about. It can either level up your workouts or make them worse if you use it wrong. So is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Rogue AbMat product overview. The Rogue AbMat is a compact core training accessory made by Rogue Fitness, one of the most respected strength equipment brands in the US. It's designed to support your lower back during sit-ups and crunches while allowing a fuller range of motion compared to flat floor exercises. Originally popularized in CrossFit gyms, this thing has quietly become a staple for athletes, home gym users, and even physical therapists. Its main selling point is simple: improve abdominal activation while reducing strain on your spine and hips. Sounds basic, but the execution is where things get interesting. Rogue AbMat Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I used the Rogue AbMat for everything from quick morning core circuits to longer strength training sessions, and the difference was immediate. The biggest change is range of motion. When you lie back, your torso extends slightly past neutral, meaning your abs stretch before contracting, and that makes every rep feel more intentional. Regular sit-ups suddenly felt harder, in a good way. Instead of momentum doing half the work, you actually feel your core engaging from start to finish. And surprisingly, my hip flexors weren't screaming afterward like they usually do. Another big win is consistency. The curved shape naturally guides your posture, so you're less likely to cheat reps without realizing it. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. First, the ergonomic contour design. The AbMat fills the gap between your lower back and the floor. That sounds minor, but it keeps your spine in a more natural position while allowing safe extension. Translation: better ab engagement without awkward strain. Second, high-density foam construction. This isn't soft couch foam. It's firm enough to support body weight without collapsing, which keeps your movement consistent rep after rep. That consistency is huge if you're tracking progress. Third, portability. It weighs almost nothing. You can toss it into a gym bag, use it at home, outdoors, or even during travel workouts. No setup, no adjustments. Just drop it down and train. And finally, versatility. Beyond sit-ups, it works for stretches, hip bridges, mobility drills, and even as a lumbar support during certain lifts. It's one of those tools that quietly becomes part of multiple workouts. Design and build. Aesthetically, Rogue kept things simple, and honestly, that's perfect here. The AbMat uses durable vinyl covering over dense foam with reinforced seams that feel built to survive years of abuse. It doesn't slide around much on rubber gym flooring, and the shape naturally locks into position under your back. It's not flashy, and it's definitely not trying to look high-tech, but it feels premium in a very Rogue Fitness way. Functional first, everything else second. And since it's made in the US, build quality feels noticeably better than cheaper knockoffs you'll find online. Pros: noticeably better ab engagement and range of motion. Extremely durable gym-quality construction. Versatile for multiple exercises beyond sit-ups. Cons: can feel too intense for beginners initially. Slightly pricey compared to generic versions. Final verdict. So who is the Rogue AbMat actually for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're serious about training, whether you're into CrossFit, functional fitness, or building a legit home gym, this is an absolute no-brainer. It's inexpensive compared to most fitness gear, takes up zero space, and genuinely improves exercise quality. If you're someone who only does occasional crunches or wants effortless workouts, though you might not appreciate what it offers, this tool rewards intentional training, not shortcuts. What surprised me most is how something this simple changes how you feel exercises. It doesn't add resistance, it improves mechanics. And honestly, that might be more valuable long-term. The Rogue AbMat isn't flashy tech, but it's smart design solving a real workout problem. And sometimes that's exactly what great gear looks like.